In this video, I'll show you how to sell ebooks on Etsy. First, create your ebook. Choose a topic that people are actively searching for, such as self-improvement, budgeting, fitness guides, recipes, or small business tips. You can write the content yourself or use tools like ChatGPT to help outline chapters and organize the information. Once the content is ready, format the ebook in a clean and easy-to-read layout using tools like Canva, Google Docs, or Microsoft Word. Next, export the final version as a PDF file, since PDF is one of the most common formats used for digital downloads on Etsy. Make sure the formatting looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Now go to Etsy and sign in to your account. Open Shop Manager, then click Listings and select Add a Listing. Upload preview images that show the ebook cover and some sample pages so buyers can see what they'll receive. When creating the listing, choose Digital Product so Etsy knows the file will be delivered automatically after purchase. Upload your PDF ebook, add a clear title, write a detailed description, and include relevant keywords. Once the listing is published, customers can purchase and download your ebook instantly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.